night, kind of a late night thrift sharing video, but I wanted to hurry up and make this so I didn't forget what I bought at the thrift store. I really didn't have a lot of time to do this shopping trip, maybe about an hour and a half. And I have to say, this is one trip where I was really getting frustrated with the prices. I know that everybody talks about the thrift store prices have been going up and up, and just even in the short amount of time I've been doing this, I'm shocked at how much the prices have increased, even since last fall. So I found a lot of really great pieces, but there just wasn't enough margin there for me to turn around and sell it and make a good profit. So I got just a few things, just a handful of items, and a couple of them actually, the more research I did, the margins are super thin, probably wasn't worth the pickup, but I'm going to share them with you anyway because there's lessons to be learned. They're good pieces. It's just I did pay more than I would have wanted to. So let's start with something that I grabbed this on my way to the checkout, totally caught my eye. So this is a cream lace bomber jacket with its super heavy zippers. Like you can tell it's nicely made, but it was missing the tag. So I didn't have a brand, but something told me that it seemed high quality. I think that it was very ho-ho, cottagecore, super chic, and I think that it would sell. And actually I was like, oh, I think I want to save that for myself. And I don't even know what size this is. I'm going to have to do some measuring to figure it out. But when I came home and researched it, I did find out that it is a Free People lace bomber jacket, and I bought it for more than I would have liked. $10, $9.99, and it is worth, I've seen it posted, I checked Poshmark and eBay, and it's posted between $30 and $60. So I'll probably list it somewhere in the middle, probably around $50. So not a huge money maker, but it really is cute, and I think it should sell quickly. This could be worn any time of year. Okay, I was definitely looking for more summer items, and so this next item is a pair of linen shorts. These are definitely beachy, coastal vibe. They are kind of a no-name brand, Briggs. And when I did some research, most Briggs linen shorts are only going for $15 to $18, but this particular style is listed for a little bit more. It's probably because of the design and some of the trim, but these are just looking super comfy for summer. I would absolutely wear these over a swimsuit or just with a t-shirt to run around town. And I purchased these for $4.99, and I think that I can probably sell them for between $20 and $22. Next, we have another pair of shorts, and this is a brand that most people know, Judy Blue. These are high-rise shorts, and I would totally wear these. They are mom core at its finest. They do have a little bit of a slight raw hem, and they've got a little bit of whisking here. It's kind of a medium wash color, but good brand, nice pair of shorts in great condition. I purchased these for $7.99, $8, but I think I can sell them for $30 or list them for $30. Next, we have a pair of jeans by We the Free. They are a 29-inch waist. These are women's. They have a really cool hem. It's very much a raw frayed hem, and these have a vintage fade. They've got kind of the distressed holes. They are skinny. I mean, I wish they weren't skinny, but I still think with this look and vibe at the bottom that they're still in style. They're not just normal skinny jeans. They're a nice brand, nice wash, and pretty good size 30. Actually, these were a good deal. Yellow tags were 50% off, and so these were $8.99, so I paid about $4.50 for these jeans. I should be able to sell these for $45, and I will list them for $45 and use words like Y2K and grunge with these. All right, this is one I maybe shouldn't have picked up, but I'm hoping that the style and a little bit of the brand will help it sell. So this is the brand Band of Gypsies, and this is a cute summer romper, but it's got long sleeve, which is kind of nice for cool summer nights, and it's got lace detail on the bottom, and also here like on the shoulders and in the back, it's kind of got that crochet type lace detail to it, which I could not find this exact romper online, and it's got some along the shorts line as well that makes it a little bit more like a dress. But anyway, yellow tag, very exciting when you see the yellow tags. $10.99, so I pretty much paid $5.50 for this with a 50% off, and I should be able to list this for $25. So not a huge profit on this, but I do think this style will sell pretty quick. Last one. Oh no, I have two. Just kidding. I got another pair of momcore shorts. These are just pretty basic Levi's. These are a size 10. Kind of a light to medium wash. Again, I'll probably just list these as like everyday wear, high rise, light wash, mid wash, and I can list those for $30. Here we go. Last, I did spend quite a bit of time in the jeans section, you can tell, because I got very frustrated in the shirts and dresses, and I checked all of the men's shirts. There was just nothing worth purchasing. Everything was priced so high. So here we had another yellow tag item. So I only paid $4 for these after the discount. And I'm not exactly sure how you say this brand. Etienne Marcel, maybe, out of Los Angeles. And the reason I picked these up is not because I know the brand, but they definitely have kind of that biker vibe, kind of that grunge streetwear look. It's got these red zippers here just on the one pant leg. It's definitely got the moto knees. And then in the back, it's got the color change at the back of the knee of the different fabric. And so when I list these, I will list them as edgy streetwear, Y2K, biker, grunge, mid-rise, and these are considered skinny motos. And I will list them for $36. And again, I paid $4.50 after the discount. So a few pickups, nothing amazing. I still think that the Goodwill bins is my favorite place to shop, but when I have an hour, hour and a half, sometimes I like to just hop in the thrift store and see if I can find anything. So that was my latest pickup. That was my latest haul. Thanks for joining.